when I sort of take a step back and just think about this season, both seasons, frankly, season 1 and season 2, it is really clear to me that, there are lots and lots of different ways to approach financial markets, trading and investing. And this is obviously, something that I think is been talked about quite a bit, but I still see, particularly on social media or, chat groups or even meetup groups that I go to, there tends to be just a very sort of tunnel vision view on, no, you can't do things this way, or you should not do things that way. That is the wrong way to trade. And to me, that sort of doesn't exist, right? Like, I don't think there's necessarily a wrong way to trade. I think there are core principles that are shared amongst all traders and investors. Things like risk management, things like keeping your, body and mind in check and not emotionally sort of sabotaging trades. Those types of things. I mean, there are hard and fast rules about risk management and controlling yourself and sticking to a plan and being objective. But beyond that, right, you take a trader like Frank Zarilla, who is, more so interested in buying things maybe when they don't look so hot, when they're maybe down after a handful of days, or that's when he's starting to pay attention, where you also have on the other side, a Brian Shannon who might be waiting for more confirmation or a breakout or momentum, like a Kunal as well, who's looking for that break of a range. So all three of those traders are all technical traders. They're all kind of dabbling in similar time frames, but the way they set up their trades, the way that they look for opportunity is extremely different from one another. And so for me, I think the takeaway again is just keep an open mind, right? I don't think we should be so dogmatic as to call anyone wrong in their trading approach. There's, lots of ways to essentially, pull profit out of the markets. It depends on how active you want to be and how aggressive you're trying to compound returns and all of that fun stuff. Hey, it's Evan here. I hope you enjoyed this clip from our full-length interview. Don't forget, if you want to hear this entire episode with even more insights from our awesome guest, you can find it by searching the Smarter Trading Podcast in iTunes or on your favorite podcast app. You can also find all of the show notes for this episode by heading to thetraderisk.com/podcast. Thanks for tuning in.